Hi, welcome back. Keeping up with our pipe wrench, today we're modeling the adjustment nut. Opening a new part will activate the XZ plane. We'll activate the arc circle to draw a circle with a diameter of 24. We'll then extrude that circle with a width of 19. Now we're going to habilitate the hole command, and we'll add a simple through hole, as we're adding a 3D thread. That hole has a diameter of 12.2. Habilitate chamfer and add a measure of 1.5. Selecting two edges to which the operation will be applied. Let's create our 3D thread. Habilitate helix curve and select the hole edge where the helix will begin. Then we're adding the thread step, which will be 8, and the number of revolutions will be 3. Activate the XY plane, leaving the part half cut. With the rectangle command, we'll add a rectangle with a measure of 4 and a width of 2. Finish the sketch and habilitate the sweep command. Choose the first path, and then the geometry the operation will be applied, activating the cut option. Finish the option, and that's it. The nut has a knurled finish on the outside, but we'll indicate this operation in the detailing. To finish the part, we'll change the material to carbon steel. And our nut is finished, just like that. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.